Stewardship number 2, responsibility. Managing and using what God has given me. Genesis 1, verse 28. I used this in the first one. I'm going to use it again. Then God blessed them, and God said to them, be fruitful and multiply. Fill the earth and subdue it. Have dominion over the fish of the sea and over the birds of the air and every living thing that moves on earth. Second scripture, 1 Peter 4:10. As each has received a gift, minister it to one another as good stewards of manifold grace of God, of the manifold grace of God. What does that mean? When we look at God, and God put Adam and Eve, he put Adam in there in the garden first, and he tend the garden, and then he gave him a wife. But this is about stewardship, what he gave us, right? Not only did he give him the garden, this is about what ministry. What did God give you? What's the spiritual gift God gave you, right? And how are you ministering it in the structure of the church, right? We look at Adam. Adam was a sheep herder. How do we know? Because uh, Abel was a sheep herder. How did Abel learn to be a sheep herder? His father. So God taught everything, gave everything to Adam: knowledge, strength, power, dominion to subdue the world. All the animals listened to him, and he was a one with nature, him and Eve. But first it was Adam, right? And he tended the garden, did everything he needed to do, and then God gave him a wife, and then he taught his children, his sons, how to herd and how to tend the field and garden. So his ministry, his ministry gift was what? He was a pastor, right? He had learned to pasture the animals, and then he took that and he pastored his family, right? So what is your gift? How are you managing it? And what are you doing with it? Stewardship number 2, responsibility. We're managing and using what God has given me. What has God given you? And how are you managing it? How are you being a good steward? Amen.